students, I'm Manizur, today with new class for 9th and the subject English and the topic is called Driver by Padma Sachdev. The poem called Driver written by Padma Sachdev is about the love of a mother towards her children. In this poem, the author explains the sacrifices of her mother. Imagines the sacrifice of his mother. How a mother sacrifices towards her children, for her children. How a mother's love is for herself and her children. In this poem, the author uses the image of a bulbul, a bird who has 4 little siblings. The siblings were in her nest. During night they were hungry and the mother searches food for their siblings. But when the bulbul start to search the food for their children, the mother flies a little far from her nest, but she comes back in a fear, in a dread fear. What fear? In a dread fear of maybe her siblings were being attacked by some enemies or other words. Let's begin the poem, and from the first stanza. In a fretful silence of the frost, I hear the sound of pause of a cheerful bulbul out of in the night, shaking the feathers on his head to find food, for it is 4 little ones hungry in the nest. Moving slowly, afraid, its ears pricked to pick some food somewhere. The mother, bulbul, was in search of the food for her siblings were in the nest. The poem is about the love of a mother towards her siblings. The mother flies far away from the nest during the dark night. She has a dread fear in her mind. Maybe her siblings were being attacked by some enemies. She comes back. When she comes back near the nest, she found her siblings were hungry. She again flies. The author silently watches from the window towards the nest. What a bulbul, the mother struggles for their children during a dark night when everyone were under their houses, under their homes, and the birds were under their nests. They were in rest, but the mother have no rest when she finds her children were hungry, and she struggles till the light comes, till the sun rises, till the morning sun rises. Till the lights from morning comes, and the mother struggles continuously during night. She doesn't sleep. She flies continuously. Her legs didn't move because of her struggle during night, because she has a fear, a dread fear in her mind. Maybe her siblings were being attacked, but when she come nearer to her siblings, she found them hungry. She flies again, and the moment continues till night, until the morning comes, and she seems to be in rest. She found the food easily. She feeds her siblings, and then she takes a breath of rest. In this poem, the central idea of the poem is the author shows several images in this poem how a mother sacrificed for her children. What's the love for her mother towards her children? A mother doesn't care for herself after she gives a birth to a child. A mother, how much sacrifices for her children. A mother's love for her children is countless. She has no words, no expressions to explain the love of a bulbul. The author explains here, she has a try to explain the feelings, the expressions of the mother. Hope you will understand the poem. This is a little chance. in this poem the author explains expressions of a mother. यहाँ पे कहता है कि जो एक माँ होती है, एक माँ जो होती है वो खुद का ख्याल नहीं करती, बल्कि खुद से ज्यादा उसको अपने बच्चों की मोहब्बत होती है। और कैसे एक माँ रात भर स्ट्रगल करती रहती है फॉर द सेक ऑफ हर चिल्ड्रन, अपने बारे में वो कुछ नहीं सोचती। She doesn't care about her sleep, she doesn't care about her rest, she doesn't care about her fatigue, only what she cares about the security and hunger of her siblings. यहाँ पे जो ये माँ होती है बुलबुल, अपने सिबलिंगों की, इसको अपने सिबलिंग की भूख दिखाई देती है, अपने सिबलिंग्स की हिफाजत दिखाई देती है, उसके अलावा उसको कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता। और रात भर वो यही स्ट्रगल करती रहती है जब तक सुबह होती है। और she feels secure about her siblings and she calmly flies elsewhere to find a sufficient amount of food to cope out the hunger of her siblings. यहाँ पे ये ऑथर हमें दिखाता है कि एक माँ कैसे अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपने बच्चों के गुज़ा तलाश करने के लिए कितनी मुश्किलात उठाती है और रात भर इधर उधर घूमती रहती है, नेस्ट से दूर चली जाती है, वापस आ जाती है, दूर चली जाती है, वापस आ जाती है। इस स्ट्रगल में रात भर खड़ी रहती है। आखिरकार जब सुबह होती है तो उसको यकीन रहता है कि अब लाइट है, रोशनी में इसके बच्चों पे कोई हमला नहीं कर सकता, और वो आराम से जाती है, उनके लिए गुज़ा ढूंढती है और इनकी भूख जो है मिटाती है। उम्मीद है कि जो ये यहाँ पे छोटी सी कोशिश थी आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करने की, आपके लिए फायदेमंद साबित होगी। आप ये वीडियो देखने के बाद लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना। थैंक यू।